Today, we're unraveling the basics of how machines understand our commands through G code and M code.
Welcome to the world of CNC programming, the backbone of modern manufacturing. Here with us at Design to Product Limited.
CNC, or Computer Numerical Control. Programming is the language used to tell machines how to move, shape, and create parts with unparalleled precision.
At its core are two main types of codes: G code and M code.
G code, or geometric code, directs the machine's movements.
Think of it as the GPS for the machine, guiding the tool to exact locations, speeds, and depths. It's how we shape raw materials into precise parts.
Then there's M code, the machine code, which controls the auxiliary functions like turning the spindle on or off and changing tools.
It's all about the actions that support the main task.
Understanding CNC programming is stepping into a world where design meets production. With G code and M code, we translate ideas into reality,
Crafting with precision only dreamed of in the past. Dive deeper into the language of manufacturing. At Design to Product Limited, our expertise in CNC programming bridges the gap between digital design and physical product. It's here that innovation is not just imagined, but engineered with precision.
Do you want to get a competitive quote for parts or product from our CNC supermarket of over 700 suppliers? We offer the best price on any quantity, parts assembly, welding, and more. Just book a meeting with our founder through the Calendly link listed on this video.